in that.
So may I say one thing, that if 5-year numbers, the lake is full and all this storytelling you're doing, but last 3-year numbers are normal, that means this should have been done 3 years ago. Because last 3-year numbers are
सर
very
वही
bad.
तो सीक्रेट सॉस है सर कि why last year चेंज हुआ माइंड, क्यों नहीं चेंज हुआ 2023 में?
But by the way, he obviously comes in unprepared, I come in totally prepared. So I did a Google search on him, and then I did a YouTube search on him. And 4 months ago he said bear market is dead.
No, I said a global bear market is dead.
At the Outlook
No. I said a generalized global meltdown is dead. Global कहाँ bear market है? यही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ. खाली इंडिया में bear market है. कहीं नहीं हुआ bear market.
Achha, anyway, technically I have won this round because
No, who declares it? Who declares?
because he said
not.
because he said no 1 minute because he said the bear market is only in small caps and small caps are only I think 10% of the market. That means 90% he gets. So basically I have won.
Yeah, of course. That's what you have won, because you are saying you will beat the liquid fund.
No, I did not say liquid fund. I said alternatives that either the foreigner can go into some
अरे यार
other
आपने
market.
हर्डल ही रख दिया साला 4% का, वो भी नहीं
मैंने लिक्विड बोला ही नहीं, मैंने कहा
उसमें
alternatives.
2% फी लेके चले जाता हूँ यार.
Alternatives.
अच्छा कैसे चल रहा है WWE? ठीक चल रहा है?
फिलहाल ठीक चल रहा है, आप बताओ. अच्छा बताओ. So on a serious note, so you are bearish only on the small cap segment.
Which he can't
So
sell,
the
only
bear
those
market
ones.
is only on small caps.
No.
And
Let me make it
this
very
lake
clear.
return theory, if you compare the large cap returns versus small cap returns,
But
the
large caps are
lake is
also-
very different. The lake return is very different.
Let me finish यार. अभी lake is different, but it is not empty in large cap and super full in the small cap. Large caps have done 27 or 28%.
तो वो 50 तक जा सकता है.
नहीं, वो it will, in my view, large caps don't fall 50%. They slow down the pace of fall and they grind it out. Small caps will adjust like in 3 months or 5 months or 6 months, as they are doing right now. So the fall duration is going to be different. The grind is going to be different. Large caps will drift down and correct this overvaluation, or let's say the overflow, through time. Small caps are correcting it through price action. There's a differential way for the lake to dry up in both, but both lakes will run dry.
What do you think, Samir?
First of all, I would like to check, what did he say, that the large caps are up 27% per annum for 5 years? Is it what you are trying to say?
28%.
Safeed से check करके
अरे
बताना.
सर जी checked है सर.
No chance of
Check है 100%. Nifty.
Zero chance.
Check, sir.
5 year.
5-year period.
You must be taking
COVID
from
ले लो
March
ना.
2020.
हाँ, obviously
तो
COVID.
base आपने उतना
अरे bull
नीचे
market
ले लिया.
started from March of 2020 ना.
But check करके बताते हैं.
Sir,
But
ये 100%.
Anyway, bottom line.
Sir,
what
that
I'm
is
saying
28 and this is 48.
What I was saying separately is that time these falls in the market are also more or less over a 8-9 month kind period. So instead of looking at how much it will fall, I think we should look at time. And I think this time will coincide in the next 3-4 months with a number of things. First, this sharp fall period would be 9 months in May, let's say. Also, that would coincide with, say, the clarification or whatever, or what happens with Trump. It will also be what happens to our earnings. It may also be that the base year, that is previous year's first quarter, second quarter will be the base. And then you can move on in life. But I also do not expect a V-shaped recovery, because a V-shaped recovery needs government. Mostly in the past, if it has been a US fall, it is money and interest rate cuts, and in India, there's nothing obvious that somebody can do. So if you can get back after May what you lost this year in terms of the market in another 9-12 months, that is a bull run. Because that will be 15-18%.
इतना highly qualified bull run I have never heard in my life.
If you think
that I will beat liquid funds, so I am bullish.
Bhai, listen, the guy who's saying,
I think he has lost it completely on the fight front. Not mentally, but I mean he has lost him. Sir,
one second.
Sir, you are down one round now.
1 second. The guy just admitted that he can't sell his small caps, and he's calling that if I make 15%, it's bad.
Sir, I cannot. Sir,
I'm being for his recovery.
Sir, I'm being honest. They are non-saleable. What to do?
अच्छा